Welcome back to the channel, guys. VST here, Tech. Today, some new updates. Samsung stock applications, actually quite many. There is a new version of Reminder, Game Launcher, Samsung Cloud, autofill with Samsung Pass itself, of course, authentication framework that goes along with it, digital wellbeing, photo editor, also a new version of Good Lock, which probably finally means that Good Lock is available in the Play directly. So my suggestion is, guys, go check if you are now able to download and install Good Lock officially, and also a new version of Clockface. What I'm going to do in this video, guys, I'm going to quickly glance through all these changelogs. You know how it goes with Samsung, they just don't like to put changelogs all the time. And if there is something that we can test, I promise you it's going to get tested on this channel. And if you're here for the first time, guys, and you want to subscribe for some honest videos, yeah, probably do. And let's start. Let's start with a reminder, guys. Reminder, what is new? Supports syncing when dismissing notifications between Galaxy devices logged into the same Samsung account. Select whether to show recent surges. Well, that's not so optimistic, guys. I think this was also introduced via the previous version. Now, let's check the version 12.4.04.17 from the 8th of May. It is 25 megabytes. Okay, Game Launcher, guys, also very exciting to see because Game Launcher presents a lot of options, also accessing things like turning off GOS, which is the game optimizing service, and also trying to bypass chargers, which means you can hook up your phone to a PD certified charger and really use the phone without charging it, introducing additional heat and thus crippling your device. So 6.0.11 the version is from the 10th of May, 17 megabytes, although whatsoever no changelogs, which is really sad that I really want Samsung to optimize on the way they introduce new things. The next is the Samsung Cloud, again made by Samsung. Not really a lot of information here, no changelog whatsoever. We only see that it's 20 megabyte from the 3rd of May, version 5.4.0.12. So no much information on the Samsung Cloud as well. Autofill with the Samsung Pass, here again no new changelog, guys, version 4.2.0.1.10 from the end of April, almost 10 megabytes, no changelog, so we really don't know what they're doing. Samsung Pass, the same story, guys, no changelog. The version here is 4.2.0.1.7 from the end of April, 38, almost 39 megabytes. Probably going to be the same with the authentication framework. They all work together hand by hand. No changelog here, really shame, Samsung, you should be doing better. Version 4.2.0.1.1 from the end of April, 32 megabytes. Now, digital wellbeing, this is something created by Samsung Electronics, though heavily influenced by Google. Hey, there is here a new version. Renewal for the main screen. Remove focus mode bedtime made from TOS, integrated into the modes and routines. This is how the current version looks right now. So I'm just going to do a screenshot. So we have here our usage, screen time goal and up timers. And guys, yeah, renewal for the main screen. I am going to update it to see what is going to happen. Let's check also the version here 4.1.0.19 from the 21st of April, 13 megabytes. Photo editor, guys. Yeah, we have changelog. What is new? They fixed some bugs. Now, which one? We don't know. So, how can we tell? How can we test? We can't. Version is 3.2.2043 from the 24th of April. It's 30 megabytes. Oh my god, they really have space like for nothing. Finally, Good Lock, guys. I now am able to access Good Lock directly from the Galaxy Store. The version here is 2.2.04.60. And yes, some bugs were fixed, okay? So some bugs were fixed. We also know it's 11 megabytes of size, which is actually quite good. And guys, last but not least, we have Clockface. And Clockface is also a Good Lock module, guys. The version is 2.3.0.60. They added GTS backup and restore. It will be working with the newer GTS version. Now, sadly, guys, GTS is not available in the place I live. GTS is used as a module within Good Lock to be able to share your settings with other users. The version is 2.3.0.6.0 from the 4th of May. It is 88 megabytes, which is really huge, guys. So let me just first update all of these applications, guys, and I'm going to show you if there are any changes. Of course, the first thing I can start is the digital log, the update ones. I'm going to go here to the settings, going to go to about digital wellbeing just to make sure that I'm using the most recent version, guys, and I can pretty much still see the same May screen, guys. So probably I changed something here below. We have a driving monitor, the walking monitor, the volume monitor. We have up timers, setting up your goal. It pretty much looks the same to me, so no obvious changes whatsoever. Good luck. All right, and by the way, from here you can just check all the Good Lock models that I'm using, guys. So if I'm gonna go to Life Up, I can show you the ones that I have there as well. If I go back to Makeup, I can show you the Clockface. So Clockface definitely has a new version. You are presented with the option to fine-tune the always-on display or the lock screen. Let's go for the lock screen. Customize your Clockface. I'm just going to try to set something from here just to see if this works. All right, let's just go with one of these fancy presets. This one, for example, I will hit the apply button, guys, and if I am now to switch my lock screen, yeah, I can see already his new fantastic clock. And there are really a lot of options that are presented to us through Clockface, guys. I'm gonna run it one more time so that you can just see there are a lot of these stock templates, right? So this one, for example, this one, it looks very nice. But guys, let me just show you one thing. It's going to be set on my screen. If you are not a fan of the stock clock faces, guys, then what you can do, right? You can choose one, right, and modify it, or you can just click the plus button, guys, and create one of those really that suits your own taste. And you can just see the options really are unlimited. So I can just start from scratch. You have the option to choose analog, digital, date, text, image, and even put a GIF there, right? Or a GIF. So let's just go for a digital one, and you can just see all the options that I have, guys. So there are really multiple options also color wise, and not only for the clock itself, guys. You can just also go and open ones that are already predefined and try to change them. So see here, this is a nice one, guys, and I can try to add some things on top. So I can add even an image, right? Could it be a heart? Could it be whatever I want? I can even go inside my own gallery, just do it, and even try to add one of my own images. This one, for example, right? And you know what, guys? I'm just going to apply it just to see what is going to happen. So I have applied already. I'm going to go back on my lock screen, and boom, there I have my sweet Mario, guys. And so powerful is Clockface using good luck running on One UI. And I do believe that this is probably the most that we can see from all these new fancy updates, guys. Now, if I am to go back, I will have no updates. All my applications are up to date. I always encourage you to do the same. Go check Galaxy Store, guys. Make sure that all the applications that you're running are on the latest version, guys. And if you like content like this, don't hesitate. Like the video and support the channel, guys. See you in one of these videos. And with that said, we are Steve, over and bye.